Today, I'm showing you 8 specific ways to turn ChatGPT into your personal business partner. The first way is so easy it almost feels like cheating. We're starting with an easy copy-paste hustle, the Faceless newsletter creator. Newsletters are booming. Everyone wants a daily dose of interesting information, but writing them every single day is a lot of work. You can become a Faceless newsletter creator using ChatGPT. First, set up your free newsletter on platforms like Substack or Beehive. Then, tell ChatGPT something like, summarize the top 5 tech news stories of the day, in a fun, witty tone, perfect for a morning email. It does all the research and writing in seconds. You just give it a quick read, hit send, and watch your audience grow. Once you have an audience, you can easily add affiliate links to products you love, earning money from every click, or help small businesses do the same. Moving on to quick ebook author. People love short, helpful guides that solve a specific problem. Think about niches like best budget travel tips for Europe or simple puppy potty training. Ask ChatGPT to outline a 5-chapter guide on your chosen topic. Then, have it write each chapter for you, one by one. You're not writing a long novel, you're creating a useful, easy-to-read guide. While ChatGPT gets the words on the page, Canva helps make those words look irresistible. It's a perfect combination for creating a polished product quickly and efficiently. You can sell these simple ebooks on platforms like Amazon KDP. Once it's uploaded, it's a digital product that can sell for years, with zero printing costs. Next up, the resume fixer. Finding a job is tough, and most people don't know how to write a resume that truly stands out. This is where you come in. You can offer a resume optimization service on platforms like Fiverr and Upwork. Clients send you their messy job history. You simply paste it into ChatGPT and say, make this resume sound amazing for a project manager job, highlighting their best achievements and using strong action verbs. It transforms it into gold in seconds. You charge a fee, and they get a resume that gets noticed. The next one is so good. YouTube Script Factory. A lot of people want to be a YouTuber, but freeze when it's time to write. ChatGPT is your ultimate scriptwriter. Give it a viral video idea and ask for a strong hook, 3 main points, and a clear call to action for a 5-minute video. It writes the script for you. You can use these scripts for your own channel or sell script writing services to other busy creators who hate writing on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. Moving on to content repurposing wizard. Businesses create a lot of content, blog posts, videos, podcasts, but turning one piece of content into many different social media posts is incredibly time-consuming. This is a goldmine for you. You can become a content repurposing wizard. Take a client's long blog post, feed it into ChatGPT, and say, turn this blog post into 10 Instagram captions, 5 Twitter threads, and 3 LinkedIn posts. You've just created a month's worth of social media content from one article. Businesses will happily pay you to do this for them, saving them hours and ensuring they have a consistent online presence. Offer this service on Fiverr or Upwork. Next up, SEO blog post generator. Every business needs customers, and many customers start by searching on Google. Businesses need blog posts that show up high in Google searches. You can write these for them. Ask ChatGPT, write a blog post about the best emergency plumbing services in Chicago. It writes the content for you. You then sell these articles to local businesses so they show up higher on Google when people search for their services. You can offer this service on Fiverr or Upwork. Moving on to social media manager on autopilot. Managing social media for one person is tough, but for a small business it's a huge headache. They need posts every single day, often for multiple platforms, and they just don't have the time or creativity. You can offer a social media content plan service. Ask ChatGPT, give me 30 Instagram caption ideas for a yoga studio, including motivational quotes and sales posts. It generates a whole month strategy in minutes. Businesses pay you for this consistency and fresh content, which they often lack the resources to create themselves. You look like a marketing genius, and they get consistent engagement. Offer this service on Fiverr or Upwork. Last but not least, the business empire, building custom GPTs. This is a super new way to make money, and it's getting bigger every day. You can now build your own mini AI tools, almost like an app, directly within ChatGPT. Imagine creating a diet plan bot or a homework helper bot that gives specific advice. You don't need to write any code. You just tell ChatGPT what you want your special bot to do and what kind of information it should use. If your custom GPT becomes popular and many people use it, OpenAI is starting to pay creators based on how much their bots are used. It's like building simple apps for a new app store, but without any coding skills. Alright, you've just seen 8 ways to start making money with ChatGPT. But here's the secret. These aren't just ideas. They are proven blueprints to build income. Don't just watch this video and move on. Pick one way and take action this week. The biggest barrier to making money online isn't skill, it's simply starting. All it costs is a few minutes of your time and a willingness to try. Which of these 8 ways are you going to try first? Tell me in the comments below. Smash that subscribe button so you don't miss out on the next AI money making video.